Do this from your salary to become a millionaire one day. Whether you are aware of it or not, you have undoubtedly come close to becoming a millionaire several times in your life. Spending less money. Of course, investing. That is another road to take. Doing a typical job with a dead end and no satisfaction. Even doing that is a means of achieving the coveted status of millionaire. An unsavory strategy, but nevertheless a strategy. Having said that, none of these are quick money scams. There aren't many people who can work an average salary and quickly become millionaires, aside from a few people who have an astonishingly easy time getting a small loan of $1 million, lottery winners, trust fund babies, and a few other uncommon breeds of people who seem to be protected by the gods of wealth. Any of the processes outlined below is likely to take you some time. But the point is not time. The point is that a person with a typical salary may become a millionaire. Even if it takes a few years, getting there, in the end, is what is important. It might not happen immediately. In fact, it almost certainly won't. But it won't matter how long it takes. While there may be a race in life as a whole, you may take your time climbing the millionaire mountain. You may achieve this objective at your own speed. So, do you want to earn $1 million? Without a doubt, I do. Let's have a look at some strategies you may use right away to assist you to get there little by little till that day comes. 1. Do the math. Nobody becomes a millionaire without doing a little number crunching. Let's do some math now. If you manage to survive each year of your life without having to pay for any living expenses and have a job that pays you $50,000 after taxes, then you are making $50,000 in pure profit every year. It will take you 20 years to accumulate $1 million, assuming you never spend a dime of that profit. That's a long time. For many Americans, 50,000 doubloons a year is the best they will ever get. Heck, making that much money in USD yearly is a pipe dream for the majority of people in the globe. That alone explains why the majority of individuals aren't millionaires. Since it is a long-term goal, many people would prefer to live in the present rather than devote decades of their life to achieving it. However, there are methods to cut this hypothetical 2-decade procedure in half. Assume you got married, buy a home, and merge your assets. Assuming your spouse earns the same annual salary as you and the property you buy jointly increases in value over time since it's in a growing area, you may have $1 million in total assets within a decade, even after accounting for living expenses. This is because you may be a billionaire without having $1 million in the bank. A millionaire is someone who has a net worth of $1 million or more. This includes the present worth of your property if you own it outright and have no debts to pay. If you are debt-free, have $900,000, and a comfortable home with a market worth of $100,000, you are a millionaire. Congrats. 2. Increase your income instead of your lifestyle. If your employer doesn't pay you an investment banker's bonus, at least you occasionally receive a rise. It's in our nature to spend more money when we have more of it. After all those sparkling goods that were before just beyond of reach are now within our grasp. According to Brian Davis, a real estate investor and the creator of Spark Rental, as individuals make more money, they find ways to spend it. Bigger houses, more expensive automobiles, more restaurant bills, and more high-end trips. It's a well-documented phenomenon known as lifestyle creep. When you stop putting money into the slow, steady drip of lifestyle creep, you can put it into savings and your future of prosperity and stability. 3. Aim to get rich, not to get rich quick. With Bitcoin billionaires making headlines and real estate gurus assuring everyone who has a television that their wealth is just one house flip away. It's easy for slow, steady, long-term investors to lose sight of the big picture. The reality is when it comes to investing, making money with money, the turtle nearly always wins. It might be tempting to participate in high-risk ventures or to try to earn quick riches by buying and selling stocks or real estate. Unfortunately, these investments do not always pay off. I hope this video helped you plan your route to $1 million one day. Thanks for watching.